Uyabona golwela mara. Ah, this one can play. Khole let's get him for to win ngwana. Tumelo. Wangut.
Dad, who's that lady? How do you know her? Is she your girlfriend?
Ola ga Tumelo.
Dad, I'm not a child. I saw the way you looked at each other and we are very happy to see her.
Tumelo. Listen, my son, you are very young to understand. Mutola ke chimeka ya khale. So ne re thabelana ho bonana.
Dad, I'm 13 years old. I'm not young.
Tumelo listen, ke re ke chimeka ya khale, okay? Lebella bolo man.
Kuzile papa, kuzile. Hey, la sesinyana. Hala go file washino gore o ihlatswa. A o so tomile o toma.
Well, listen here, Timonola. Ever since Kitlemoki, Umputo Kitiesola, happened like Kinida chance to him. Ah, man, how?
Hela ngwaninyana. O bolela le nna ka ena tsela e o bolelang le nna ka yona gone jwale. Phela go mogolo mo go ena sena thaka go nne. Ga ke lekane le wena man.
Nampile, no nakide. Oh, onjo le nna ke a bona. O ne go nna ke tlotsama because of wena. Tla go botsa mo se se dira batho. Ntlo ke ya papaka. And you are nothing. You stop me from using nothing. Ye kan thaka mo ntlong ye ya papaka.
Ngwaninyana. Sikanya go ngafisha wa kwa. Sikanya go ngafisha. Mosadi wa ka mo ke nna. Wena ngwana. Wongwa. Mosadi ka mo ke nna. Papa go ke monna wa ka. Wena o ngwana wa rena. A gone motho a nyaka gore wena o tsamae ka mo. O tlile fela ka mo lapeng la rena ka a tshitshutnyana man.
Tletako. Aswana maka. And uska puto enyi right enyi wrong. Ach man.
Stranger, come on, let's go, let's run, let's go.
Hey, no, I'm done already.
Come on, you look very stressed up, what's up?
No, I'm fine. I just want to go alone.
Let me guess, won't do right?
I don't want to talk about him. I just want to go alone.
Fair enough. I want to ask you if you don't talk. You don't talk to me, but I'm a very good listener. Either way, it's fine. I'll go.
No, wait. You can sit.
Alright.
Okay. Can I ask you one question?
Okay. What's it?
Do you believe in love?
Oh yes, I do believe in love. I mean, I'm in love with someone right now and she's not even noticing me that I love her. What's hurt the most is that she's not even noticing me at all. Why don't you believe in love?
No, yes. Now I don't know anymore. Like, why if uthando into enhle but liba hetisha kanje abantu?
But might say that it depends on what kind of a person you meet, because people are not the same, eh?
I guess so.
I mean, you can tell me a bit about you, like tell me everything about you. I really want to know you. I want to know you better. Or let me start. It's you know my name, but I am also a musician. Yeah, actually a rapper, but I can sing also. Yeah.
Can you please sing for me?
See that? That smile in your face, eh? I like to put that smile in your face. All right. I'll try.
I'm listening.
I'm not that good, okay? Well, it goes like. And you one of a kind. So many people wish you were the girl in their lives. And I'll be crazy not to be you in their line, girl. And just before you decide, I need to tell you I'm that. Is there something better, guy? I've never missed a right, but luckily I might be your type. That's fucking.
Oh, by the way, nah. Yeah, good though. Why you don't take this thing of music serious?
Thanks, but there are really questions that, are you really good? Like you good now?
Yeah, I'm better.
Okay, I need to ask you something. Sorry to ask you about your personal things, but how did you end up dating Brother Bundu? I mean, I just think he's a bit older than you. That's asking.
Akumela ngiphendule ke because angenda but ke zaphendula. I believe that age is just a number.
Yeah, but it's none of my business. I don't fit in, but I think what you saw that day between Brother Bundu and that girl, it's true.
I guess
Wait. I'm sorry, I did not mean to offend you.
Oh, no.
At least, can I walk you home?
No, I'm fine.
What are you? Come on. Damn. What you do, he do.
Mama, Salumis. We have enough one share one.
Oh, the one who know it.
Which is it?
I have banned
Mama. Benzi, funa police agitana. Kaya nginto endiyenzileyo. Ndiyazibona ngokuburongo bam like bendizicingela mna ndodwa ela xesha. Ndingacingelweni uba uzofila njani. Like ndikuhlukanise nonyakalo obumthanda. Ndiyabona ndisambona nalapha endlini.
Oh. Jonga mntana. Ndicela ukuzisola ukuthi unganento yenzekileyo. Uyabona mna ndingumamakho futhi ndiyakuthanda. Ndingenza noba yintoni uba ndingaluzi wena. In fact, uba ngafuneka ndiphinde ndiyenze le nto ndenzileyo, ndingaphinde ndiyenze. Ngicela ukuzikhathaza ke sifocus kwi-future, siqhubeke nempilo. Edlulileyo.
Hayibo mama, awunyanzelanga ukuthi uprethende kum. Like ndiyakwazi uba ubumthanda unyakalo. And
mamela sisi. Okay, uqala inyani. Mna nonyakala sihlukenanga. Unyakalo uhambile ukwenza i-practicals zakhe eDurban. So akho nto uzisola yena wena bendithethile naye uba makastophu zapha endlini kancinci yabo, but dana sihlukenanga. Siyathetha nonyakalo yonke imihla, but akagxothwanga nguwe apha endlini bengekwakekho kwayena useDurban. So ndicele ukuzisola ngale nto enzile. Right mna?
Okay.
Nto bancu.
Hi. Fantas.
Mamela ke ndiyaphuma. Late. Ungapheki ne? Ndithatha ibheki yam. Ungapheki ndizawuthenga i-takeaway.
I wonder yaphi.
Hey.
Oh, not being late.
Skawara, I'm glad to clean. Please, no fat. Anything to drink, water.
Sana fancy. Right and from this right. Bazanti zihlala. Abantu bokwayethu umfazi abantwana.
Ola netekana lomsali lemwa but umsali akatenga around the so relax, so safe. And then when unyeti, unalona okay?
Oh, okay. Andifuna ukubhora ngestory sam. Okay, ndanditshatile kodwa ndisatshata anymore than boyfriend. Andikho sure uba ndinayo, andifuna ukubhora. And then abantwana ndinayo umntwana oyi-1.
Look at you. You're still the same. Inabona man. Watunya. How patere gurumiaka. Obana. Unona mwedi mampeto. Atsana amradi ko. Skawara ka seriously.
Bro, angqondo ekuredi uzothi umntana wakho xa ufika uhlele umnyomfazi ebhedini. Hayi, right.
Yes.
Uyabi?
Yebo. Enabona tani. Oitsola nete jo azange stopora toitsi. Come on. Wangiti mara. Agraton magenzi chika. Kerato straight to the point. Wabona arsala banini mo.
And husband husband upendula. Unomfazi and then ufuna ndento such chick. I saw at this age I like. Che?
Please ngikutwele no.
Ay.
Simelo. Kaya sa dumirisa ba yun?
Hello.
Mo, tumero dyan.
Honey. Mano.
Wena bantu bakandona angisafuna phela nibone imiqondwana yakho apha.
No, baby. Sabonga iphithuba ukuthi ngichaze ukuthi kwenzakaleni baby ngalela langa. Saba uhlisa umoya wazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngalela langa baby.
Ngibona ukuthi nami
Yeah. Ngiphathele nama chips nawo baby ngiyazi ukuthi uyathanda wena.
Ngibona ngathi sisibhale la muntu. The cheap apha ku. Yes. Muntu. Sacrifice everything for wena. For wena muntu. Happiness ka mama eyam nalahla umuhawu ngenxa yakho. Wena wenzani? Yanjolela.
Baby.
Tuchole ulixolo. Nakwenza umuntu. Uzibona ngcono ngoku. Bona njolela,
Sithando sami. Yabona leli ntombazana lokhuluma ngayo leya. Ukhazini wami.
Khazini.
Ngiyafunga baby wami akangithandana le ngenele ngane leya. Lo muntu lo uzonosisi ngalela langa leli. Ngikhuluma nawe nje uhlala nathi lapha endlini. Anginayo inkosikazi mina baby.
Pho wangazange ngixelele ngokhazini wakho because ngiyaqala ngalo.
Baby ngizamile ukwazisa azange ngiphi ithuba lokuthi ngichazeni. Azange ngiphi ithuba baby.
Gogo ukhazini uzondibona kanjani?
Bana khululeka baby, cousin wami nazo ukhuluma naye futhi uzokuzwisisa into lento yenzile baby. Noma ngubani angabe nayenze lento leyo. Wena ngivumele nje ukuthi sibe right nanawe. Uyancolela ngosibaby. Yazi ngikhumbule njani? Angeke silwe ngendaba kakhazini. Mama zan. Baby. Mama sanojama kancane.
Wewe buntu. Isilinde esingaka. Sosuka apho sowakhona uzongena apha endlini yami. After lamanyalo wenzile ndikamqele buntu ngezandla zami zonke ndawamkela endlini yami. Ubujole ndodakazi yami. Wenzani wena? Uveza ubuso bakho obhukileyo after lamanyalo wenzile?
Mama wrong like
Mama zala mina ngachaza.
Uthule ndifuna uthetha nawe. Ukokuqala wena mbali. Andikwazi ngomntana nobudomo. Isathi dom apha okanye awuboni ublind. Uvumela njani lo tsotsi wempundu? Azodlala ngohlobo. Uvume?
No mama zala
sike. Wena buntu. Yabona umbali. Mntana wami. Akakwazi ukubulala ndithi udlala ngaye wena. Uzolola ndimnki. Ngifuna ukufundisa isifundo wazi sosiphinde usilibala. Ungaphindela umntana womntu ngoba ngomphini umzali.
Awu mama zala. Nobe ngithi mama. Ndibuye apha wena. Yabona wena mbali mntana udom ngixolisa ngani yami ngengabona ukuthi uyageza yazi.
No go lokile o ka mo tsena.
So tse dina ngani.
Mama ke fedisa. Go diragalang o bonagala o sa botse. Malume o ga botse.
Ngani yami. Yazi yabona izinto phakathi kwami nale ntombazana yami le bese sihadzisa kahle ngane yami ngisho nalo mama wakhe umamezala wami bese athoma ungizwisisa angabukele njengomkhonyane wakhe ngane yami but manje ngazi kusuke kwamosheka kubuka ngane yami sorry ngane yami yazi ukuthi yini ngicabanga ukuthi ngihambe ngiyogeza angikho right ngane yami ngicabanga ukuthi ngihambe ngiyogeza ngizobona ngane yami
Plan yakhe itlobereka. Ubuntu is mine now. Let the game begin. Oh, Botelo.
Umuntu lo ngumzukulu wakho man. Shit mama. Lero uzobona kanjani ukuthi mama ereaction yakhe?
Wait, is that?
Ngicabanga ukuthi mama ngifika la uyikhathi ndele.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah.
Mama siyacela awunenhloni. Utyebele ngaphakathi lebhastile umbhakala. Hayi wena sundisturb ngani wena Aubrey.
Angidisturb ami nendithu.
Focus. Sumbamba bamba phambi komama wakhe ibheko. Ibheko.
Soso zami ngayo ukuthi
Wow. Hayi Nkosi yami hawu man.
Yonisa ngimliza kakhuluma cece.
Ngiyabona.